Most budget trackers are messy. Let's build a professional system where your results stay on top and your entries flow below. Clean, logical, and automated. Let's build the visual heart in column D using the SPARKLINE function. It takes 4 key arguments. First, the value in B3. Second, the type bar. Third, the scale hack. I'm doubling the budget in C3. And fourth, the logic. I'm nesting an if function to handle the color. If you overspend, the bar turns raspberry red automatically. To make it even more intuitive, I'm adding a conditional formatting rule to the amount column. If the value is greater than our budget in cell C3, the number itself will turn raspberry red and bold. This creates a double alert system that is impossible to miss. Now watch the magic. In the Starbucks line, as I increase the amount, the bar crosses the 50% mark and the number turns red instantly. It doesn't hit a wall, it shows exactly how much you've overspent. I've pinned the formulas and the color palette in the description below. Subscribe for part 2, where we'll build the brain and automate the input.